Hello and welcome to my unboxing of Special Hobby's 1/72 scale Mirage F.1CG. So we have the Greek version of the Mirage F.1C. On front of the box you will see a nice box art, and as per usual with Special Hobby, the sides do not really provide any further information, just a repeat of the name and picture. It's a nice top opening box, so it is easy to remove the parts and not damage anything. The first thing you will see is a instruction booklet that features some information about the aircraft on the front. The booklet is very nice quality. It is stapled together, so it will not fall apart. The instructions are quite clear and easy to see, though they use quite few steps, so you will have to check that you do not miss anything. The kit should be easy to assemble. Down there they advertise some further resin parts you can buy separately as an addition if you want more detail. On the last three sides we will see our three camos. At first we have a special anniversary livery, then we have a more colorful one, and the third option is the regular Mirage blue, you could say. The booklet is of course in full color, so should be very nice to build. So let's look into our big plastic bag of parts. The first thing that drew my eyes was the incredibly thick sprue of the fuselage sprue. I don't think I've ever seen such a big sprue in my life before, which is quite interesting. As you can see, the clear parts, decals and two resin parts are packed separately, so they will not get any damage. Okay, now let's take a look at our parts. First, the decals, also packed separately. The decals are made by a cartograph, so they have amazing quality, as you can expect from cartograph. Probably the best decals out there. You will not have any issues applying them, and they should look amazing. And as you can also see, like, the small print has great quality. Then we have two resin parts. I think those are the pylons to mount your ordnance. I don't exactly know why they come as resin parts, but there they are. We will take a look at the clear sheet later. So first a little look at the hull. The mold was originally made by Special Hobby themselves in 2016, so it has quite decent quality. As you can see, of course, all details are recessed, and we have a quite nice level of detail, though we do not have any rivets. Rivets are not featured. In general, the parts have little to no flash and are in a really nice quality. The surface is a soft, but not, well, as you can see, not like a shiny, super flat surface, so your paint should stick pretty well. Lastly, we will take a look at the clear parts after I've made some space. Clear parts also packed separately, so they do not get any scratches. As you can see, the clear parts have great quality as well, just like the rest of the kit. No scratches, no sink marks, no weird textures, just super clear, super flat, just like you want them. You should have no issues with those. And that should be it with our little unboxing of the Mirage F.1CG by Special Hobby. Thank you very much for watching. I would definitely recommend this kit, even though I haven't built it yet. Should be an enjoyable kit. Thanks for watching and bye bye.